No matter which way the economy goes, people seem to always be interested in premium bonds. However, with the Bank of England raising interest rates yet again to 4.25%, retail banks will soon be pushed to increase their saving rates on bank accounts. However, there already exists great easy access savings accounts such as CHIP. So with that being said, are premium bonds still as attractive as before? In this video, I'm going to go through all my premium bond wins this year from January all the way up to August and compare it to the best easy access savings account and see if I would have made more there or using premium bonds. So currently I have £7,465 in premium bonds, and I don't intend to actually deposit any more into premium bonds. If you're watching this video, you probably already know that premium bonds are a way to store money, and if your luck prevails from month to month, you might win a cash prize. And the best thing about premium bonds is that this cash prize is completely free from the tax man, and no matter how much you earn from these prizes, that doesn't add to your tax bill. Now, the maximum amount you can put into premium bonds is £50,000, so I am well away from actually maximizing that, and I don't think I'm going to be in a hurry to do that anytime soon. So for each £1 bond that you do have, the odds of winning a cash prize is 1 in 22,000. The overall prize fund rate for August was at 4%, and I'm pretty sure they're going to be increasing that soon. So going forward, either the odds are going to improve or there are going to be more cash prizes. So obviously, the more money you have within premium bonds, the higher the likelihood that you're going to win a cash prize. So I first deposited cash into premium bonds back at the end of November 2022, and it takes a whole month of actually holding these bonds in order to be eligible for the next month's draw. So for me, the first month's draw was on January 2023, so I have a complete 7-month picture of how much I've earned from premium bonds with an account balance of around £7,000 to date. So in January, I was quite happy to receive £50, and if it wasn't because of this, I probably would have looked at putting my money somewhere else. I guess when you win the first draw, it kind of hooks you in and keeps you there. So £50 was not a bad amount at all, especially considering when I opened the premium bond account, I only had around £3,000 back then. Back then, the prize fund rate was also much lower, and the odds of winning was 1 in 24,000 per £1 bond that you had. So in February, I won again. I won £25, which wasn't as great as January, but still very happy with that winning. So in March, my winning streak continued and I received a big £100, leaving the grand total of winnings for £175 within just 3 months. I think you would be very hard pressed to find a savings account that will give you that much in 3 months from such a small amount of money. So in April, I opened my NS&I app in the morning with red eyes, only to receive an absolute 0. However, in May, I did win again and I won £25, making my total winnings £200, and I was quite chuffed about that. So in June, the same thing happened. I opened my NS&I app in the morning and I received absolutely 0. So in July, the same thing again. 2 months in a row, I received absolutely nothing, and I can understand how this could put a lot of people off into putting their money into premium bonds. It must be noted that there is absolutely no guarantee that you will ever win a prize. Statistically speaking, you could put £50,000 in and for a whole year receive absolutely nothing. So do definitely take that on board. So in August, just 2 days ago, I received £100, giving me my total for the year from January to August at £300 with around £7,500 invested. Now, if I do some quick math and I don't win anything in September all the way to December, my return for the complete year would be 4.01%, which is actually higher than the prize fund rate, and I would actually count myself lucky as a premium bond holder. Now, considering that banks are paying around 4.5% just now and they hadn't paid that the whole year, I would say that based on just my luck alone so far, I have made my money's worth putting my cash into premium bonds, because even without winning anything else, I've made 4%, which if you take on average all the best savings accounts, that is actually going to beat it if you consider all those little things. Now, what I wanted to show you was a comparison between the highest instant savings account that I can find, which is from CHIP. So as you can see, CHIP is currently paying out 4.51%, and as I speak, Lightyear has increased their interest rates to 4.5%. However, because the Bank of England just raised interest rates today, this will take maybe a couple of days to feed through into CHIP, and I'm pretty sure that they will be increasing their annual equivalent rate to maybe something along 4.7%. So currently I have £4,420 in CHIP, and I'm thinking of actually doing a review for this later on, but I'm very much enjoying my time with CHIP. As you can see, on the 6th of July, so it hasn't been a complete month yet, I put in £3,000 and then I put in 300, and as you can see, I've been putting in money but also taking out money when I need it. The best thing about CHIP is that it it goes straight to your bank account instantly. Whenever you withdraw it, it goes straight to your bank account. And I'm saying this and I'm not even sponsored by them, and I don't get any money if you sign up with them. I really do like Chip. So 4.5% is a very high amount, and as you can see from the 6th of July, I've earned around £11.87 in unpaid interest. The interest is calculated daily, and as you can see, I've recently put in 1,200. So this is not a reflection of the amount that you will completely get over a month's time. So assuming I had the same amount of money that I have in my premium bonds into my Chip account, I could be expected to receive a guaranteed £27 per month. Now, if we do some quick math and we compare how much I earned from premium bonds to how much I would have earned from Chip, we can see that I would have earned £195 from Chip, but that is only taking into consideration the current interest rate that Chip is paying. They were not paying that much throughout the year, so if I take that into consideration, I would probably be making ballpark around £150 for the same amount invested in Chip. As you can see from my premium bonds, I have made £300, so that is roughly twice as much as I would have made with a really good instant savings account. However, that being said, your luck will definitely vary. You could be a lot luckier than me, or you could be a lot more misfortunate than me. So at the end of the day, it is your choice if you want to put your money into premium bonds or a very good instant savings account such as Chip, or there are some others that I haven't even mentioned. So make sure to check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you in the next video.